Okay, folks, so if this is your first time, what I've done here is build a simulation that will produce a different outcome every time. To do this, I've strategically placed units and groups of units and calibrated things like proximity and unit numbers, mode of attack, etc., etc. I've run multiple configurations many times. I do not want to go into that, but I will show you the result shortly. In this episode, Skeletor, as he is often known to do, has hatched a plan to take over Eternia. His big idea is to necromance an army of the undead because he is a powerful dark sorcerer. But because he is also hugely incompetent, the army turns on him and so he runs to He-Man for help. He-Man gets together his own smaller army and lures the undead into attacking Castle Greyskull, where he will have superior defenses.
This is Skeletor Screws Up Big Time! We pick up the story just as the undead army approaches the castle. There are 4,000 units, 1,750 are slow zombies who make new zombies when they kill, and the remaining 2,250 is split between runner zombies and skeleton warriors. None of the units have been altered. For the good guys, there are 850 cavalry, 550 spearmen, 110 archers, and 5 heroes for a total of 1,515 units for the good side, or whatever spawns. Looks like quite a bit less than that. Well, that's too bad. But you will see the cavalry was split into 3 long groups that were kind of placed back behind the castle. Here you see the castle defenses at the gate. There's a bunch of spearmen here, archers there on the hill. This is Skeletor. He has joined the fight and he's going to be in the middle of the spearmen defenses on the steps to the castle gate. And here we see the skeleton warriors. They are going to be spawned right at the base of the hill leading up to the castle. And then we have runner zombies on, facing the castle. It would be the left side. And there they are, ready to run, as they do. And then the massive horde somewhere back here in the trees. But enough of this, we've seen it. Let's get to the action. Aha! And away we go. I'm going to try to keep my dialogue to a minimum so you guys can watch here, this, but I'm just going to get a quick overview of the battlefield, and then I'm just going to be kind of swinging through all the different fields of battle. Watch, the cavalry is first. They're taking the brunt of the attack right now, and you just look at the kills piling up. Cavalry charge is very effective, and they more than make up for their lack of numbers right at the beginning here. Take a look-see at what's happening at the castle gates here. Runner zombies have made it to the spearmen. Cavalry offering some support from the back. And here comes the zombie horde. When these slow zombies enter the battlefield, every kill is a new zombie. So that kind of tilts the numbers a bit depending on their effectiveness. Let's go take a look and see how the Cavalry faction back here is. See if they're stuck on the bridge. Oh yeah. As usual, the big question here is which way will they go, or which way will the majority of them go? So we've got some on the left, some on the right. And then when they go to the left, they get a little confused. Do they go to the valley, or do they stay on the top of the ridge? His brave man in the middle, and he's cut down. Was he killed by a zombie or a skeleton warrior, though? It's hard to say. Back here at the castle gates, will the runner zombies make it to Skeletor? He's still back there, kind of stuck behind the spearman. Doesn't look like they're gonna make it. I will probably run another simulation. Keep running them until he breaks out of that line. I tweaked it so you never really know how it's going to turn out. It looks like the zombies are kind of they kind of want to go up the hill, but then Cavalry keep coming from behind. So they're just stuck down here for the moment, and that's going to help the defenses of the castle. The archers are just raining down arrows constantly on this right flank over here. So they're doing their job. They don't have to worry about anybody coming up the steps yet. Oh, they almost broke him free. Skeletor is set to attack. He's the only, well, besides the Cavalry, he's the only defender set to attack. So as soon as he breaks free, and here come the skeleton warriors to do just that. Oh, and we have some zombies making it up on the left side. One. Okay. Well, never mind. One made it. There he is. Follow them. Follow them in. He has not entered the battle yet. Still stuck behind. Oh, there he goes. And here comes the lone zombie. Also joining the battle. I'm sorry, sir, you do not stand a chance. Wow. Here comes Skeletor! Now the other game I like to, or the other challenge that I like to see when he gets stuck behind the spearman is, will he make it to the bottom of the stairs? Can he do it? Come on, Skeletor, everyone believes in you. It's not your fault that the undead army is going to destroy everything. I'm kidding, everyone knows it's your fault. Oh no, it's not gonna make it. Surrounded. Oh, he's down. He died. Tough luck, bud. And here comes the horde. Yes, it's not looking good now. What are the numbers? 2,250 nearly kills for the good side. And the army of the undead, not quite 1,000 killed yet. And just under 2,000 remaining. The Cavalry did their job well. That's what I would say. Alright, here we go, and this is what I call the tip of the spear, right here. This is the main defensive line, obviously for the castle, I mean, just the obvious strategic point. And I put, if you see, a line of 3 golden knights at the top of the stairs. So the 3 golden knights are He-Man's friends and allies, and so they've teamed up with Skeletor to defend Eternia from the army of the undead. The first guy on the left, or I guess on the right from this vantage point, is Ram Man. His chief method of attack and defense involves using his head as a battering ram. Luckily in this game he learned to use the sword. In the middle we have Tila. She was rescued from Skeletor by Man-at-Arms, who raised her as his daughter, and now she is on the side of good. And then, at the end, we have many faces, a multi-faced heroic warrior with the ability to change his faces from a human face to a monster face and to a robot face. The trio, the tip of the spear as I call it, this is where most of the zombies are going to die. I'm sorry about the audio, guys, if it's driving you nuts. I do not have my microphone yet. This is just kind of a test run. If it turns out, I'm just going to go with it. If it's okay. I'm not going to be too worried about it. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this content. I'm going to run a couple more of these simulations. Not going to move anything. I'm just going to restart, press the go button, and we'll see what happens again. If you have any other ideas about certain simulation setups, configurations, numbers, other tweaks, let me know. I'll try those out. What is this? Skeletor? Has he necromanced himself? Is he alive once again? Well, that is a fortunate outcome for the good, side of the good. Yes, this will help. This will help in their battle. Alright, so now if you look over here, the line of spearmen on the right is broken. And this is a tipping oh crap. Yep, that is a tipping point. If the block of archers at the top of this hill falls, that spells almost certain doom for the side of the good. Luckily, it looks like the spearmen at the top of that ridge are distracting the zombies for the time being. How long they last determines whether or not they win, so we will see. Another thing that we're going to notice, or that I'm going to point out, is if you look at the line of Golden Knights, eventually they step out for whatever reason, even though they're set to just defend and hold their positions, they will step out. I guess it's just so many attacks, forward motions that, I don't know, it's just part of the, well, what you can call it there, the AI. It just happens. It's kind of, maybe it's a glitch in the game, I don't know, but it does happen. The guy on the far end, is that Many Faces? Many Faces stepped out. Oh, but see what happens. I mean, obviously, they get surrounded just a little bit more, and so it's a little bit less of a strategic position. You can already tell. You're going to see the spearmen around him have died. Looks like he stepped out a little bit more now. Many Faces, what are you doing? Buddy, stay with your people. Yeah, so he's taking the brunt of damage right now. And, he's gonna die faster. That's what happens. He's gonna take more hits, more damage. He's taking the brunt of the attack. There you go. Falls quicker. And, they just advance more. But for now, it's holding. Like I said, most of the zombies are gonna die right here. If you look at the numbers, we are just now hitting 1,000. So less than 1,000 remaining. We still have 3 Golden Knights alive. That's another threshold that I should mention. So yeah, if all 3 of these Golden Knights at the tip of the spear are alive at the 1,000 remaining mark, that's a good sign for the good team. They're likely going to win. I'm just telling you, I'm an odds guy. The odds are now in the good guy's favor. Eight o'clock, we're losing sun. I'm sorry, yeah. A lot of the times the end of this battle goes all day and into the night. It's obviously I'm not sitting here all day long. The total simulation takes about 25 minutes, a little over sometimes. Oh wow, what? Okay, yeah, he fell. Many Faces is down, folks. That happened. I missed it. Yeah, look at how they just repel the zombies. These Golden Knights, the heroic units. I don't even know what their stats are, I'd have to look. But yeah, they're just knocking the crap out of them. So, none of the archers are dead yet. Looks like they're still good. Numbers are less than 700 remain. Oh, Tila stepped out. Oh no! Yeah, she's not gonna last a whole lot longer. See how all the zombies are gravitating to. Oh, she's down! She just died! Well, we caught that one. Now we have Ram Man. And then Man at Arms is the Golden Knight at the gate. I don't think I pointed him out yet, but in the middle of the gate we have another Golden Knight that is Man at Arms. That's He-Man's right-hand man. His best friend, his closest ally. And of course, Skeletor necromanced himself. So that's going to help the good guys. What else would we do? What else would we be doing without the incompetence of people like Skeletor? Oh no! Ram Man is out there on his own. Wow, taking the full brunt. Less than 420 remain. Less than now, obviously. I'm gonna miss 420 by probably a day. That's unfortunate, but I should have this uploaded by 421. Ram Man is not gonna last much longer. There's a few spearmen outside of the gate walls still alive. Oh, nope. The archers are still fully intact. The spearmen on the top of the ridge over here on the bottom left of the screen. We're getting attacked now. Oh, Ram Man is down. He died. I didn't see it. And it looks like Man at Arms has entered the fight now. I just saw a zombie go for the archers, but for now they are being held off. See, and it only takes one zombie. It really does sometimes. And I think they are about to break through into the archer block, the one at the top of the hill here. The other thing about the archers, which it looks like we're going to get to see. Yeah, here we go. So there's a top block at the top of the hill, and then further down the hill is a separate block. It's two blocks, equal blocks, so I guess 55 archers in each one. This block is getting decimated right now. We'll come back to that in a minute. Man at Arms. Pile of bodies in front of him. Look at how many died. It's just a huge hill of dead zombies. And some spearmen. And obviously our three heroes. Oh, the spearmen. Oh, wow, the first whole block is done now. And a pretty big group of zombies made it down to the bottom block. Man at Arms is holding Skeletor. The second coming of Skeletor has entered the battle. He's nearly free. Looks like he's stuck behind some spearmen. Oh wow. These archers just might make it. Holding the line so far. Here comes Skeletor. And now we have about 100 left. A little more, and 50 on the good team. Look at these. Skeletor is actually a soul tyrant in the game. It's a heroic unit. And he is set to attack. Both units were set to attack. And yeah, unfortunately, as soon as he gets surrounded, he has so much health, but and he's dead. There he goes. So all of the spearmen are now dead. It is now Man at Arms and the archers at the bottom of the hill. Oh no! I'm sorry, there's some spearmen behind Man at Arms. And it looks like this battle goes to the good team. Man-at-Arms will hold the gate. There you have it. Good wins the day. 44 remain standing. 431 zombies spawn. What? What is this? Oh, yes, it's He-Man. That's right. They had a backup the whole time. He-Man was there. Nothing to worry about. Everything's fine. All of these zombies are going to die no matter what happened. Right? Right? Do you believe that? Do you believe it, Man-at-Arms? Yeah. We shall see. Let's run this again.